I'm Nell, solo parent and hardworking mom. They say, don't look back, you are not going that way. But when it comes to a breakup with a social media Filipina, that advice becomes a survival role. This isn't about bitterness, it's about awareness. It's about understanding how digital love, validation addiction, and public image collide and destroy what could have been a private, real relationship. Today's episode is my advice to don't look back once you break up with a social media Filipina. Because the moment you walk away, she's already uploading her revenge glow up. When you're dating a social media Filipina, you are not just in a relationship, you are part of a show. Every moment, from your first dinner to your first disagreement, is potential content. You might think you are building a love story, but what you're really building is an audience. She doesn't need privacy, she needs views. She doesn't need commitment, she needs engagement. When the relationship breaks, her first reaction isn't heartbreak, it's upload. You will see the captions. New beginnings, finally free, self love era. Those are not healing posts. They are marketing campaigns for her new single and unbothered brand. The breakup season, that's her spotlight. Some Filipinas don't move on, they monetize on. She will take your private fights and turn them into cryptic quotes. She will cry on TikTok not because she misses you, but because she knows the algorithm rewards pain. The world loves drama and heartbreak sells. You will scroll through your feed and realize she's already writing history. You're no longer the caring, supportive partner. You're the villain in her public helling arc. Meanwhile, you're left wondering, how did we go from love letters to subtweets? Foreigners often fall harder. They invest emotionally, financially, and spiritually. They see the Filipino through the lens of innocence, warmth, family values. But social media changed the game. It replaced sincerity with strategy. It made relationships about optics, not honesty. When a breakup happens, the foreigner tries to reason, explain, reconnect. But the social media Filipina has already moved her story to the next chapter and her followers are cheering her on. That's why you must not look back, because every time you revisit the past, you're not entering love, you are entering a narrative you don't control. Many men think they need closure, but closure from a social media Filipina often doesn't exist because her closure is public validation. While you're trying to find peace, she's already creating TikToks to prove she's doing better. You will see her with new friends, new looks, maybe even a new guy, and it will sting. But remember this, those posts aren't healing, they're highlights. It's not happiness, it's optics. When someone lives for the feed, their healing becomes performance art. So don't chase closure, create distance. The smartest thing you can do after a breakup with a social media Filipina is to disconnect digitally and emotionally. Unfollow, unfriend, mute, disappear. Because every check in you make gives her another reaction, another boast, another reason to stay relevant. You can't heal while watching her invent the story. You can't grow while replaying your heartbreak. You definitely can't move on while living in her digital echo chamber. Real strength isn't in texting here again. It's in silence. Because silence is the one thing social media can't manipulate. If you truly love her, wish her well. But don't follow her journey. Because sometimes the greatest respect you can't give a past love is your absence. Learn from it. Don't confuse attention with affection. Don't confuse followers with faithfulness. Don't confuse visibility with value. The next time you meet someone, look for real connection, not created chemistry. When you break up with a social media Filipina, don't look back because looking back drags you into the same cycle. Drama, denial, digital chaos. Move forward quietly, confidently, purposefully. Your peace of mind deserves privacy. Remember, real love doesn't need an audience. Real healing doesn't need applause. Real love only needs silence. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Enjoy your day. See you next episode.